Good morning, students. Welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is staffing. Before starting this chapter, I want to read one quote given by the CEO of Infosys, Narayan Murthy. Our assets walk out of the door each evening. We have to make sure that they come back the next morning. Mr. Narayan Murthy has given importance to the human resource. He realized human resource is the valuable asset of every firm because the growth of an organization depends upon the competent staff. As a knowledge-intensive company, Infosys recognizes the value of its human asset in maintaining its competitive position. It realizes that these assets can easily walk away as competitor in India and abroad its IT talent. Consequently, the challenge facing Infosys is how to attract, retain, and develop its human asset in highly competitive and dynamic environment. Dear children, Narayan Murthy has realized that humans are the valuable asset of any company. If we are not able to get that asset, to attract that asset, to retain that assets, and to develop that assets properly, we cannot get success. So main focus of each and every organization to develop their employees, to retain their employees, to hire a competent employee, and they will be retained in the organization only if they will be considered as the owner of the organization. So Mr. Narayan Murthy, given the stress on giving some share from the profit, he gives the stress for sharing wealth of his organization to the employees, so they can feel closeness and they are empowered with some powers. So we are going to start staffing. I think staffing means it's a very innovative thing. In this slide it is shown. Staffing means right people are given the right role and right skill set must be appointed. So now we come to the introduction of staffing. It is the fact that organization foundation is based on quality staff. The employees are the assets of any firm. An organization needs to fulfill the right position with the right person. So staffing refers to the function of filling and keeping filled the position in the organization. In simple terms, staffing is relating to putting people into the job. Dear children, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जो नींव होती है वो क्वालिटी स्टाफ होती है. तो अगर हमारे प्लान्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, हमने स्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा बना लिया एंड वी हैव नॉट अपॉइंटेड द राइट पर्सन इन दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर, we will not be able to fulfill the goal of the organization. So staffing is a very important role in the management. Staffing in the simple words हम बोल सकते हैं कि आपने right लोगों को चूज करना है और उनको उसकी right प्लेस पे प्लेस करना है, उनको right जॉब देनी है और उनको ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर देना है कि in future they can develop themselves. They can take initiative. They can bring some creativity in the organization. They should be given a free hand so that they can do some innovation in their work. And staffing is a very wider concept. In staffing, we will study रिक्रूटमेंट। स्टाफिंग जो हमारा शुरू होता है वो किससे शुरू होता है? एम्प्लॉइज को ढूंढना, उनमें से अच्छों को सिलेक्ट करना, देन उनको प्रमोट करना, ट्रेन करना, डेवलप करना और उनका अप्रेजल करना, परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल करना। So this is the staffing. It is a very continuous process. It is a very important part in the management to obtain the staff, utilize the staff and maintain that satisfied workforce. अगर आपने स्टाफ अच्छा हायर भी कर लिया, उनको ठीक से यूटिलाइज नहीं किया, उनको राइट प्लेस नहीं बताई और उनको they are not satisfied with the job, then the work is not completed. So staffing revolves around all these functions that we will study in the next video. For a definition you can learn any definition. एक मैंने बहुत सिंपल सी definition बताई है, putting the right people at the right job is staffing. Or staffing can be described as the managerial function of filling and keeping filled the position. कि पहले तो आपने पोजीशंस को फिल करना है, फिर ये ध्यान रखना है कि वो कहीं छोड़ के ना चले जाएं। अगर वो छोड़ जाता है कोई एम्प्लॉय तो उसकी जगह नए एम्प्लॉइज को अपॉइंट करना। तो स्टाफिंग इज नॉट अ वन टाइम जॉब, इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, बिकॉज इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन people come, people go due to the retirement, due to the death, due to the unsatisfaction. So staffing goes on. Next we come to importance of staffing. I have told you the example of Infosys. Why Infosys is so grown up company? Because of the staffing, because their CEO understand the importance of the human power. So first importance is obtaining competent personnel. In staffing we do the various processes. Recruitment is done, selection is done, so it helps to find out the competent personnel which is required for the job. Continuous survival and the growth. दीवारों से बिजनेस नहीं बनता, सामान से बिजनेस नहीं बनता, एम्प्लॉइज जो उसको काम कर रहा है उससे बिजनेस चलता है। So proper staffing ensures continuous survival and the growth of the enterprise through succession planning for the managers. Optimum utilization of resources. In the staffing, होता कैसे है स्टाफिंग? हम ऑर्गेनाइजिंग हमने पढ़ा, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में स्ट्रक्चर बनाया। स्ट्रक्चर हमें ये बताता है हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. So we can save the labor cost because we can calculate the total number of required person. ना तो कम होने चाहिए ना ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन होना चाहिए. तो स्टाफिंग हेल्प्स टू ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, improves job satisfaction and morale of employees. In staffing, what is done? We are finding the right person and we are also researching कि क्या job उस person को दे ताकि he can give his 100%. It suits to his skill. So when work is assigned according to the skill of the employee, naturally employee will be more and more motivated to do that work because he knows how to do that work. And the work matches with his interest and it gives the job satisfaction, which in turn helps to achieve the objectives of the organization. So this was the small introduction of staffing. In the next video we will do